Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to synchronize your audio. These are the two video clips. I had two cameras that were rolling and then it recorded two audio files. So what I did is you'll see that they're in my boss folder called Audio Recorder Tutorial. I made a subfolder because I have a lot of projects that are going on and I want to keep my media organized. These are the recordings that I just did now. So I've already imported these into my software, so I'm going to open up my project. Here you can see this is the bin says sync tutorial. It's because it's the same name of the folder. I just dragged and dropped the folder in my media panel. And what I'm going to do is I'll put the clips into my timeline. So here's the first clip. So that's one of them. I want to use the one where I'm seen on camera, so I did two of them. Here you can see this is the shot of me talking directly, so this is one. I want this to be the primary one. So I'm just going to scooch this one down below and up. Okay, so I want to have it like as a two camera setup, so you'll see me cut between the other one. Now the other thing I'm going to drag in, these are my audio files from the recorder, so I'll drag that one in. You can see that one is. Because it has two channels, the other channel did not have audio recorded, so please be sure that you grab all the files. Don't just grab one, because by default, the settings, it's automatically going to record two. Just drag it in. You don't need it. You're just going to simply delete it. Okay, so most important part is you have your media all aligned. You don't want to replace it, and you'll start to notice that this actually looks like the sync. See this big spike here? Well, and looks like there's a spike here. So the spike is going to help the software figure out what needs to be put together. So I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see. So what you're going to do is highlight your clips, go control click, and you're going to go to synchronize. Okay? Now looking at this is important. You want to make sure that it's on audio, and you want it to be designated to track 1. Okay? So A1. As we know, I first put in my video clip. So the video clip is your scratch track. Okay? It's your source track. We're going to use that clap in the camera to synchronize a recorded audio. Okay? So then press OK. So now you saw everything jump. And now you can see, I'll scooch in a little bit tighter, you can now see that it has aligned these claps. So I'll play it, I'll lower the volume. You'll also see that my hands, actually, you know what, we will see my hands. So now you see the top track, right? So now if I click this one and I delete this, you'll see that now it will align. Okay, so now it did the clap. So now if I raise this a little bit, you'll hear it. All right, that was a nice loud clap. Okay, so I will have to adjust this audio a little bit, but now I'll be able to adjust it and adapt it. The other thing, the other feature that I've taught you before, but I want to make sure you really know, is what's called the Essential Sound panel. You'll see here that I can tag this as dialogue. Okay, so I'm tagging this track, and I can also add filters and adjust it where I can clean up the audio. I can do podcast voice. You can also do clean up dialogue, noisy dialogue. There's a lot of things that you could do for artistic effect too. But now we're ready to get your audio imported and synced.